So, inside of this pot, I have put some fluffy eggs. I fluffed them up with a fork, put in a little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt, and I added something else unusual, amaranth. And that's just to make it light and fluffy. I didn't cook the amaranth or anything. It's puffed amaranth. And I put it inside this black pot here. This black pot, which goes inside of a glass pot and has a glass top. This reflector, which is portable, is then pointed at the sun. I've got it pointed a little bit ahead of where the sun is going to be later. The sun will pass by, heating this up so hot that it would hurt your hands to touch it. And it's going to make me an egg dish. I've cooked eggs in this before with mixed success depending on my recipe. What I want to end up with is kind of an egg cake. Now I could have added in there some fresh tomatoes and those would have probably cooked just the right amount. I put in some oregano. I forgot to put in the oregano. Doesn't matter, we can experiment with all kinds of things in this. In this case it's 6 eggs in a solar oven. It's now 1:20 in the afternoon, so I'm starting a little late. I should start cooking in the morning. This solar pot should always have something cooking in it. And we should experiment with lots of recipes. We'll check in later.